NEDA convener and BJP top gun Himanta Biswa Sharma stated that these elections are a clear fight between the BJP and Badruddin Ajmal. He even went ahead and called Ajmal an immigrant Muslim who still has not adopted the native culture of Assam. Sharma also targeted the Congress here for aligning itself with the AIUDF. Listen in.
In this election, Congress is not the issue. Our entire issue is how can you align with Mr. Ajmal? Because you cannot have a migrant Muslim who has not yet adopted Assamese culture fully. Give me a single instance where you have seen Mr. Ajmal in Bohag Bihu. Give me a single instance where you have seen Ajmal in Magh Bihu. And you have seen his communal statement. So this election is entirely between Ajmal and BJP. Congress, Akhil Gogoi, Lurin Gogoi, those are not a factor at all. So our whole question is for the Congress, if you are so strong, you have 5 guarantee, you have Priyanka Rahul with you, you are so strong, why you have to align with Ajmal? The party whom yourself you have declared in many occasions that Mr. Ajmal is untouchable. Now why you have aligned with him? The very fact that Congress has compromised Assam's soul for grabbing power.
Well, Himanta Biswa Sharma also targeted the Congress for aligning itself with the AIUDF. Sharma said that just not sharing the dais during election rallies with Ajmal does not mean that the Congress has distanced itself from the AIUDF, and they would have to answer to the people for this.
People of Assam are not politically that unintelligent that because I do not share the dice, that means I am not with Ajmal. You have a formal alliance with Ajmal. And Congress party has to answer this to the people of Assam for a long time to come. Congress has alienated themselves from the people in 1983 when they contested the so-called illegal election. Thereafter, it took for Mr. Gogoi and Mr. Hiteshwar Saikia for long 25 years to bring back again Congress into the mainstream. Now, by aligning with Ajmal, Congress has isolated from the mainstream people of Assam for another 50 years.
The recent assertion by Union Home Minister Amit Shah that the BJP would bring in a permanent solution to the flood problem of Assam has brought in sharp criticism from the Congress. Reacting to this, Sharma said that since the Congress ruled over Assam for a large period of time since independence, why did they not bring in a solution for the floods in the state?
So ask Congress party that they are in power in Assam for the entire period since independence, minus 2 terms of AGP and 1 term of BJP. I think they should ask those questions themselves. What they did during their tenure. I think it is unwise and completely novice on their part to put question onto a government who says has been completed 5 years. And they run the state for 50 years. So if they could not resolve the flood issue in 50 years, can it be resolved in 5 years? But still, there is no major devastation of flood in last 5 years. Relief and rehabilitation was considered to be the best.
And well, Sharma further stated that the new regional parties and their leaders like Akhil Gogoi are not a factor at all in these elections. He stated that he never even mentions Akhil Gogoi during any of his speeches, which shows that they are not a factor at all.
Visit entire Assam. In this election, those names are already getting irrelevant. So if you just visit, because I am traveling neck and bread, you see in my entire speech, I do not even mention Akhil Gogoi. Nowhere I have not mentioned. I think only because I know as a politician on ground that those people has already lost relevance in this election. I think they should now concentrate right from here for 2026.